Hey there!
Today, I'm showing you how to crochet this super cute tomato tray. It makes the perfect keychain. Let's create a magic ring. Chain 1. Crochet 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Do not join, continue to the next round. 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Make another single crochet in the same stitch. Next, we'll crochet 2 single crochets into the same stitch, also known as an increase. Repeat to the end of the round. Now, moving on to round 3, we're going to crochet 1 single crochet. Now, for the next stitch, we're going to do an increase. This means we'll crochet 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Now, we're going to repeat the following pattern: 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. So make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then make an increase in the stitch after that. And we'll repeat this all the way around. In this round, we'll be working single crochets all the way around. This means 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now, for round 5, we're going to start with 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then we'll make a decrease in the following 2 stitches. Now, we're going to repeat the following pattern: 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease. We'll repeat this all the way around. Now that we've finished round 5, it's time to add some stuffing. Take your fiber fill and gently stuff it into the piece. Now for the final round, we're going to decrease in every stitch. Now we are going to add the stem to our tomato by embroidering it. For this, I will be using green yarn. Let's create a magic ring. Chain 1. Crochet 8 single crochets into the magic ring. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. 1 single crochet. Now in the next stitch, make 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Repeat the sequence of 1 single crochet, 3 single crochets in the same stitch to the end of the round. Join with a slip stitch. One chain. To start, we're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch. Now in the next stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch, we're going to make 3 single crochets. 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Repeat the sequence 3 single crochets, 3 single crochets in 1 stitch 2 more times. One single crochet. Join with a slip stitch. From round 4 to round 7, we'll gradually increase to create the base of the tray. The formula will be on the screen. For round 8, we will crochet into the back loop only. We will now single crochet all around the row. For rounds 9 and 10, we will single crochet in every stitch. To crochet the tray liner, we'll follow the pattern on the screen. The first 3 rounds will be the same as the tomato. Now, to make our tomato tray more sturdy, I'm going to cut a piece of cardboard to fit the bottom. You can use any kind of cardboard you have on hand. Now we will glue together all of the pieces we have just crocheted. we are done. You can add a keychain to this tomato tray. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching the video. Please leave a comment or like the video so I can make more tutorials soon.